Hey there, this is Marcel, and welcome to the head balancing journey. So in this practice series, I have created a set of classes and a progressive practice plan that is going to allow you to explore and to adapt being upside down and balancing on your head. And being inverted, being an upside down can be a very challenging place for most people because our upper body, arms and shoulders are not designed to carry our full body weight. They can take partial body weight, like when you're sitting and you want to go up, shifting weight onto your hands, but standing fully inverted is actually not part of our physical nature yet. But the body has the potential to adapt. So with mindful steps, class by class, week by week, you're going to progress with this practice plan. You're going to be able to develop comfort in upside down, and then you're going to explore that mystical space of balancing on your head, being able to stand free for a few seconds, maybe even for a minute, and exploring shapes with your legs and upside down. So I'm excited to practice with you and see you on the mat.